Hi guys.
Nag-work si Kenneth. Anyway, welcome to another vlog. Ayan, gabi na ngayon. I will cook shrimp. Since gusto niyo ng cooking vlog, let's give you a cooking vlog. Ito yung shrimp. So, 1 kilo to. And then, nilagyan ko siya ng, anong tawag dito? 7-Up. Yan, ganito. Minarinate ko siya sa 7-Up for ilang minutes pa. Siguro mga 10 minutes. And then, dalawang ganito yung ginamit ko. Yung maliit na bote. You can also use yung litro, mga half siguro nun. Mga 2 cups, yun for 1 kilo of shrimp. And then, daming hugasin, besh. Maghugas muna ako. So, I heard you want some variety. So, sige. Mag-vlog tayo ng ating lulutuin. Ngayon, hugasun. Hugas muna tayo, besh. Ay, also, nakapaghiwa na ako ng garlic. Charan. Ay. Ayan. Busy si Kenneth. Nag-work siya. And then, meron na rin tayong rice. Ayan. Tira pa yan kanina. Black rice. So, hindi sana ako mag-vlog today, but yung nag-vlog. Actually, gumawa ako ng sit-down video. When was that? Yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Pumunta ako sa dentist yesterday kasi masakit yung aking ngipin. And then, it's because pala of my impacted wisdom tooth. Pero ngayon, hindi na siya masakit. Like, nung isang araw lang siya masakit. Yung super sakit niya na yung nakaka-headache talaga. Pero, yesterday, like, hindi siya masakit. Tsaka ngayon, hindi din siya masakit. I don't know why. Sabi niya, I need to get an x-ray. Panoramic x-ray daw. So, gastos na naman, besh. Nakakaloka. Nagpa-cleaning na rin kami ng aming teeth yesterday. Kami ni Kenneth. Para bongga. By the way, dun sa last ko na cooking video na shrimp din yung niluto ko. May nagtanong if I deveined the shrimp. Yes, I did. Nilinisan ko siya. Nilinisan namin ni Kenneth. Ako yung nag-devein. Tapos si Kenneth yung nag-cut nung unsay tawag unsay tawag ato yung i-cut? Antena. Basta siya yung nagputol ng kailangan putulin. So, since Holy Week na, today is Wednesday, since Holy Week na, wala nang magka-cater sa aking pa-x-ray. So, baka next week na tayo magpa-x-ray. Or kung kailan siya sumakit again. Lol. Ayun na nga. So, since Holy Week, I thought I would show you my shrimp recipe. Char. Sana masarap siya. It's very basic naman. Like, I don't know kung basic siya para sa mga nasa other parts of the country, pero like dito sa mga para sa aming mga Bisaya, it's a basic recipe for shrimp. So, una, maglalagay ka ng butter sa iyong mainit na pan and then let it melt. So, half muna and then let's see. Half ba or isa na? 1 whole or 1 half? O hindi to butter, this is just dairy cream. It's margarine. Nag-melt na si butter. So, we're gonna add the shrimp. Garlic. Charan. Wala lagi siya ni sizzle. Di pa init. Anyway. And then, hintayin lang natin mag-golden brown si garlic. Yung garlic ko is isang ulo ba tawagan na? 1 bulb, ewan ko, basta isang buong garlic. ASMR cooking vlog. Hi guys. Oh, can you smell? Oh, And then, pag naluto na natin ang shrimp, let's do a mini mukbang for you. Diba? Oh, mut na kay Besh. Beshi!
So good.
It's so good.
Smells so good.
Bango Besh. Naamoy mo pa. Naamoy mo pa. And then, pag golden brown na ang iyong shrimp, ang iyong garlic, we will drain, as you can see in the background, we will drain the shrimp. And then, ilagay natin siya sa butter. Oh, yes! But wait, there's more. Mix, mix. Para evenly distributed ang goodness. Sa mukha. Yan. Ipapa-orange lang natin siya para maluto na. Can you smell it? Okay, and then kapag like majority of them are orange na, ilalagay natin yung remaining marinade or yung ating ginamit na 7-Up, or you can also use Sprite. Mix ulit. Tapos i-set natin siya on high and let it boil. And kapag nag-boil na siya, pahinaan natin and what do you call that? Ay, struggle, Besh. Evaporate mo lang ang liquid. Para maging saucy na siya. And then, dapat may mic si Kenneth para marinig niyo siya. And then, we will season it with salt and pepper. Tapos, luto na siya. Bango!
Let's go. Yes, rotating in. Choreography, it should not look like choreography. It should look like you guys are in your bedroom, on your sad sheets, working it out. Hi, Rue. Well, hello, Raja. Okay, what is this, Thanksgiving? I couldn't possibly. Your final challenge is as bigger than ever because this is some serious shit. This is the real deal. That jig is up. Wow! Here comes the bride. We walk onto set and there's Rue, a vision in white. My girl. She looks like a goddess. It almost looks like a dream. Okay, smoke up. Action! They try to keep you down, but there's no denying you're a champion.
Charan! Okay, so actually luto na to. If you don't want a lot of sabaw, pwede mo siyang ipa-evaporate pa, pero baka ma-overcook. And if ma-overcook, didikit yung kanyang shell sa sa laman. So, okay na to para sa amin. So, salt and pepper to taste. And, luto na. Let's eat. Mahilig kasi si Kenneth sa masabaw.
Ayun, block na kami guys.
Healthy living siya. Lasang-lasa ang butter. No? Margarine din. Sarap. Siguro, masarap din siya if you put more garlic pa talaga. No? Tapos, you can also add toasted garlic on top para minyo ano dyan kasi imong boyfriend dyan eh. Pero nung mag-boyfriend pa kami ni Kenneth, hindi ako nagluluto. No?
Nakikain.
I think Kenneth is sad.
Ano?
Kasi sanay siyang kumain ng may pinapanood or may pinapakinggan. Tapos ngayon, hindi pwede. Kasi nabibideo ako. Alright? Oh, my teeth. My tooth. Dito na side lang ako nag-chew. Nag-chew? Ano sa Tagalog sa usap?
Usapan?
Ngumunguya. Ito na side lang. Baka papayat ako. Because of my niubo. Because of my impacted tooth. Sarap bash. Next time, pwede din like, ganyan-ganyanin lang natin. No? Isote lang, tapos, walang soda. Para shrimp flavor lang talaga siya. Way.
Ano to? Overjoy.
Hindi na yung count. Ano sa to? Sidok? Or ako ka ng hatching? Or obo?
Gigi. Record na nun.
Ilang tunako.
Ha?
Tawalin ka. Mastorya pa ta. Sasabihin ko, my mother is doing intermittent fasting. So kumakain siya from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Kumakain or hindi kumakain?
Kumakain. Basta 8 hours in a day na kumakain. Pero hindi siya naglo-low carb. Intermittent lang. Tapos, nung 1 week pa lang niyang ginagawa, tinanong, no, mag-add siya ng rice.
Special day.
Special day. Isa to. Tinanong ko si Papa, pumayat na ba si Mama? Sabi niya, hindi. Lagiya. Mga 2 pounds pa daw yung na-lose. So, tanungin natin siya. Kasi pupunta kami doon bukas. Since it's Monday, Thursday, tomorrow. Nagplano pa kami. So, pasensya na, nalobat yung camera. Pero, tapos na kaming kumain. Ay, sarap bash. Hi, Mila.
Hi guys.
So, si Kent ngayon, naglalaro siya ng Dota. And, nanood kami ng Kadenang Ginto sa YouTube. Talagang, ilang days pa lang ako nanonood nun, and super nakakatuwa, as in. I like their mga away-away, mga catfight nila. Nakaka-enjoy. Pero, Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. Mag-empake ako. Sure, empake. Kasi uuwi kami dun sa bahay ng aking parents. And tignan natin, baka sa Sunday pa kami uuwi. So, we'll see kung ilang videos yung may edit ko today. And then, ma-schedule natin for uploading. Siguro 2. Kaya ko ma-edit. We'll see. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. Let's do a shout out. Hi to Kelly Tamura and Madam. Oh, Madam, I like it. Hello, thank you for watching. So that's it for today's video. Please subscribe to help this plant to become a butterfly. And ayun, bye.
Bye guys.